The main goal of alchemists was to find the elixir of life to keep us young and to turn common metals into gold. Did they succeed in that? The Persian alchemist Geber is often called the father of chemistry. Nah, Lavoisier is the father of modern chemistry. So how our model of the atom developed? The two big ideas. All chemistry depends on these two big ideas. One is that everything is made of particles, and second is that atoms are the simplest particles of any element that cannot be broken down in a chemical reaction. But how did chemists find out about atoms? It's a long story. It began with the ancient Greeks. In ancient Greece, around 750 BC to 150 BC, the philosophers thought hard about the world around them. Is water continuous matter or lots of separate bits? Is air just empty space? If you crush a stone to dust, then crush the dust, will you end up with the bits that will not break down further? The philosopher Democritus came up with an answer. Everything is made of tiny particles that cannot be divided. He called them atoms. He said they came in 4 colors: white, black, red, and green, and in different shapes and sizes. Large round atoms that taste sweet and small sharp ones that taste sour. White atoms are smooth and black ones jagged. He said everything is made up of these atoms mixed in different amounts. Other philosophers thought this was nonsense. Aristotle, 384 to 270 BC, believed that everything was made of 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water, mixed in different amounts. A stone has a lot of earth but not much water. No matter how much you crush it, each tiny bit will still have the properties of stone. On the alchemists, the Greek philosophers did a lot of heavy thinking but no experiments. The alchemists were different. They experimented day and night, mixing this with that. Their main guesses were to find the elixir of life to keep us young and to turn the common metals into gold. From about 600 AD, the practice of alchemy spread to many countries including Persia, Iran, India, China, Greece, France, and Britain. The alchemists did not succeed in making gold, but they made many substances look like gold by using secret recipes to coat them with other substances. They also developed many of the techniques we use in the lab today, such as distillation and crystallization. By now, the idea of atom was almost forgotten, but in 1661, the scientist Robert showed that a gas can be compressed into smaller space. He deduced that the gas is made of particles with empty space between them. In 1799, over 130 years later, the French chemist Joseph Louis Proust showed that copper 2 carbonate always contained the same proportions by mass of copper, carbon, and oxygen. No matter how it was made, 5.3 parts of copper to 1 of carbon to 4 of oxygen. This suggested that copper, carbon, and oxygen were made of particles, and these always combined in the same ratio. The English chemist John Dalton puzzled over this discovery. In 1803, he concluded that if elements were really made of indivisible particles, then everything made sense. He called the particles atoms as a tribute to the Greek philosophers. He suggested that atoms of one element could combine with atoms of another element only in a fixed ratio. This time, the idea of atoms caught on really fast because it fitted with the result from so many experiments. If you have learned something new today, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to always stay informed. Take care and stay safe.